Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's the problem for today for exam FM on financial mathematics. Bruce and Robbie each open up a new bank accounts at time 0. Bruce deposits 100 into his bank account and Robbie deposits 50 into his. Each earns an annual effective discount rate of D. The amount of interest earned in Bruce's account during the 11th year is equal to X. The amount of interest earned in Robbie's account during the 17th year is also equal to X. Calculate X. Let's look at the amount of interest earned by Bruce in the 11th year. It will be equal to the interest on the balance of the account after 10 years. So we calculate the balance of the account after 10 years, and that normally we would write 100 times 1 plus I to the 10th, but 1 plus I is equal to 1 minus d to the negative 1, so we can also write this as 100 times 1 minus d to the negative 10th, and then we would multiply it by I to get the interest, but 1 plus I is equal to 1 minus d to the negative 1, so that I can be written as 1 minus d to the negative 1 minus 1. So if we multiply this all out, we should get X. Now the amount of interest earned by Robbie in the 17th year is the balance of the account after 16 years, which is 50 times 1 minus d to the negative 16th, multiplied by the interest rate, which is 1 minus d to the negative 1 minus 1, and that's also equal to X. So those two quantities are equal to each other. We write them out as equal, and a lot of things cancel out. 100 divided by 50 is equal to 2. 1 minus d to the negative 1 minus 1 cancels out on both sides. And then when we divide both sides, or multiply both sides by 1 minus d to the 10th, or divide by 1 minus d to the negative 10th, whichever way we do this, we get 2 equals 1 minus d to the negative 6th. And that means that 2 to the negative 1/6 is equal to 1 minus d, so that 1 minus 2 to the negative 1/6 is equal to d, and we get from that d to be approximately 10.91%. And then X is equal to 100 times 1 minus d to the negative 10th times 1 minus d to the negative 1 minus 1. We multiply that all out, plug in the d that we found, and we get approximately 38.88, which is answer E. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from Society of Actuaries, belongs to the Society of Actuaries, and is reproduced with permission. Good luck in your studies, and good luck on the test. Of course, I should have mentioned, the solution is mine, so please understand that it's copyrighted material and cannot be reproduced without permission from me. Thank you for your attention.